Well, today is going to be my attempt to fix the barbed wire fences. I got one back this way that I hit with the tractor, it was my fault. Got one up front that somebody ran a car through recently, and one on the other side in the back 40, I guess, that has been broken the whole time that I've owned the property and never fixed it. But now I think I've got the tools to do it. Barbed wire, post thingamajiggy, hammer, fence nails, fence pliers, gloves. I'm gonna use a ratchet strap and get all that loaded up and go and try to do something. We'll see. And the fence puller. Hopefully this works. And of course, some fence posts just in case. We'll see you over there. So here's the spot that I hit with the tractor. As you can see, these wires are falling down. T-posts are, let's say, slightly leaning, going down this way a bit. And here's the one that I think, if I remember correctly, that I actually hit. It's got a little bend to it. So see if I can figure out how to straighten all this back up. Well, I got it all finished up. It was not too hard. See, the line is pretty tight now compared to what it was. Should do me just fine. Did have to put in one post because this wooden one is fairly rotten. Don't know how long it's gonna stay. But looks much better than what it was. Didn't straighten out these because I think I'd have to take out all the clips, and that doesn't sound like fun. And I don't think it's gonna hurt anything for what I gotta do or what I need it for. But straighten that one out. It's still bent, but hey, it ain't going anywhere. So now on to the next one. There's Blisto checking out, making sure everything's going right. But on to the next one up front. I'll have to lock him up and leave him back here. I don't look forward to that, but probably nothing to do but to do it. See you in a little bit.